everybody, welcome to Jackie 21 Fluid Art. Here we are in my studio, just about to do a Dutch pour. I'm going to try and do something sort of similar to Canella's picture in the background there. I've never been very good at doing the black base with the colours. My colours always seem to sink or get eaten up. But see her colours, they're so solid in the background there. So something like that. So let's see how we go. Could be an utter failure. Wipe that off, clean it as soon as you can, otherwise you'll be stuck later, especially with black. Black is a nightmare. Come on, paper towel. You're making my video get boring. I'm gonna have to do some major editing on this video. Major editing. Okay, so I used a new recipe on all my paints tonight because I was struggling getting my colours to stand out on the black. So it's actually Jilly Cube's recipe. Now she's an Australian and she's got a YouTube channel, and I watched her and I wrote down her recipes and I followed them tonight. So if this turns out, it's all thanks to her. Rightio, so I'm just gonna get my edges with a bit of black off the board. I mean, the edges are black anyway, but I still think you should go over them with paint. Don't you guys? Now I'm just going to go over that a little bit again. They say you shouldn't, once you've done your first coat, you shouldn't touch up too much after that. So stop touching up, Jackie. Oh God, this is probably where I go wrong. It's not my consistency, it's my touching up. And I probably don't want to have too much paint on the canvas either. I saw someone doing this when they were scraping some off the canvas, putting it back in the cup. And why not? Less waste. Okay. Alright. I've cleaned my egg flip, but I'm going to have to get it back out again. Because I want this to be beautiful and smooth. I don't care how much of this video I have to edit. Okay. Okay, and away we go. I decided to start with orange instead. Up there. And then straight from the middle and down there. Now, Canella always gets a bit of a tissue and wipes the ends. Beautiful. Purple's next. And I like how it makes that noise at the end when you stop squeezing them. Doo-doo. Pink's next. I'll have to get the torch out. Seeing they're all mixed up today to get the bubbles out. Right, next is the metallic blue, baby. Looking forward to this colour actually. Blues can sometimes take over a bit. Blues and aquas, so we'll see what happens. They're all opaque colours, so none of them are supposed to sink or blend in. $24K gold and the aqua. Okie dokie. Is that enough colours? Might just put a bit more, just go back to the start again. A bit more orange. And a bit more purple. And a bit more pink. Okay, now we're ready to blow. Or torch first. Torch, 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 torch. Okay. Now, leaf blower I think we'll go for. Or will we go with the small hairdryer? Let's see if the small hairdryer will reach. Yeah, look, it will reach. well, that's not too bad, guys. That's not too bad at all. I wish the pink and the orange were brighter, but beggars can't be choosers. That looks pretty fantastic. Pretty good. Get the sides. Black. Oh, blacky black, blackety black. Okay, here's a close-up. I've taken you off the stand so you can zoom in and have a look-see. Now, I kind of like what the 24 karat gold did. Maybe some of you think that it's taken over a bit, but I do like the cells that it creates. Maybe I could have used a fraction less, but I didn't use that much. I kind of wish, see that orange, purple and pink line there, and blue even. I just wish there was sort of a bit more stripiness of that down the middle of each row. At least there's some, don't get me wrong. There's a bit more there. Bit more up the top there. And that's it. So we've got this beautiful sort of, I don't know, it's pastel, but it's got some bright kicks of colour in there and the gold. And that's what I was going for, that that look there. But obviously I used different colours, but I've got that composition right. Tick for the composition. Yeah. And tick for the gold. The gold's actually pretty similar. Tick for the black. Nice and smooth. And yeah, I reckon it's pretty good for what I was going for. All right, let me know what you guys think. But I'm pretty happy with my new recipes for paint mixing. I might even share them with you. Okay, bye.